Alright, what up, y'all? I've been looking online for anybody working on the CTSV wagon or the regular CTS wagon, just basically taking it apart. I have a 2010 CTS wagon, and I'm gonna be taking it apart, and I looked online for videos on how to take it apart. So I could repaint it. The car's been repainted already once. Terrible backyard job. And I'm gonna redo the backyard job with a backyard job. So I'm gonna be painting my garage. It's not my first time painting a car, so I hope it turns out pretty good. I'll give you guys a walkthrough on it real quick. I had started already taking it apart and actually changing the front end clip with the CTSV. So I got the fenders installed, hood installed, headlights, grill. I might replace the passenger side fender because I noticed that it's filled with Bondo yesterday. So just taking the doors apart right now. I want to see how to get all of this off here and the molding here because I'm gonna paint the roof black. And I'm not sure about the sides yet or what color I'm gonna go with it. It does have the 3.0 liter in it, and I will be installing a Stroker 6.0 twin turbo will be installed on it. But I want to get the body work and everything else on it, get it all cleaned up and going. But other than that, I will keep you guys posted. I do have to repair the back bumper on it. I wish I could just buy a new one, honestly. I wish I could just buy a new one, but that one is repairable, and I could save a lot of money just repairing it myself, just like I had did with the front bumper and the fender. Just repair it myself, and I have the side skirts to redo as well. I don't know. I think they. I don't know. I don't know who. Car had a really rough life, and I buy a lot of jacked up cars, but it didn't. Being this new, a 2010. All the other cars I had was 2007 and below, and none of them was this bad. And this is the most expensive car that I actually purchased. Usually my cars would be around $600 to $1,000, and I rebuild those and get rid of those. This one I wanted to keep, and this is the most expensive. I'd say a second expensive one, because I did buy a Mini. Yes, I bought a Mini Cooper. But this one wasn't too bad, about $2,500. I think it was well worth it. So far I may have $1,000 into it, from the bumper and grills and fender and hood, and little parts here and there. But other than that, I'm gonna get it all cleaned up. I want to show you what the back bumper, how damaged it is. But if you take a look, it looks like it has Bondo on it, which is, it doesn't look too bad. Like, it doesn't look too thick. So I'm gonna plastic weld everything back up and put plastic filler on it to clean it up. But it's the actual GM part. It's the one that was for this car. But I wish I could find another one. But oh well, I'll get this one fixed and get the interior fixed. Well, not get it fixed, and fix all this stuff myself. The headliners, the center part is just dirty. I'm pretty sure I could clean it, but I'm thinking about going with black, like a black headliner, like suede or something. I kind of want to do it that way. I really would like a dark red on the seats, keep the carpet black and the headliner black. But I'm gonna try to keep this as low as possible, because I want to dump all the rest of the money into the engine. That was the goal here. I can't afford a real CTSV wagon, so I'm doing a poor man style on it to so I can get what I want, and I'm gonna build it the way I want. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I mean, it has a lot of little damage here and there, but I'm gonna get it all fixed up. But if you guys keep watching, you'll see the progress. And if somebody knows how to remove this, I think I have to drop the headliner. I think it's maybe bolts going all the way through it and then pop it up. If so, I don't want to pull that yet, because we're still getting a lot of rain, and I don't want to soak the car inside. And I probably have to end up taping this off, because I took all that weather stripping off. But as long as I don't drive it in the rain, I think it'll be just fine. It just drip down and it'll run back down. Even if a little water get in, that's fine. It won't hurt it. Other than that, that's it. Thank you guys so much. Keep track with it. Keep watching. Okay? Thanks.